Okay, here's the box. This is what I just slapped together really quickly. Took me a little bit of time, but here's a box with the finger and the sockets, as you can see, assembled. I haven't bothered with the base just yet. Okay, this is the little fingers and the sockets, and it has sort of worked. It's not ideal. I would recommend, after building, I built this box with just butt joints, and then went back and added the fingers and the sockets, which was a bit painful. So I'd probably, if I was a bit slow and haven't done the bits yet, I would add the fingers and the sockets when I'm drawing the sides and the front. It'll be far easier for me, and some of the people like who have joined it already before I'd learnt how to add fingers and sockets. It is possible to do, as I just showed you. Well, I haven't showed you, but as you can see here, this, let me just really briefly run through down on the bottom left here how you would do this. So I have a front piece, that's my front piece. Sorry, that's my side piece. I've got that and that. That's it. All right. When I built this, I brought in a front, and I brought in another front, and I'm going to call that the back. That's the back and the front, but I brought it in twice. I then brought in a side, as you can see there, and I brought in another side. All right, magic, I know. And then I would go through, well, basically I moved one of my sides out, so don't worry about that. I then joined, as you can see there, I used assemble joint, and I clicked on a certain spot here and on that face there. Wasn't too hard. I remember how to do it. Join that one, and then I think I clicked there and I joined the other side, or the back side that just came in the back here. And then you'll see here I brought in that one. All right, looks super easy. It was relatively easy to join together that. So that is how you would put it together. Again, you would go assemble join, and then you're actually hovering over the face of the piece you want to join, and then go really slowly to the corner like that. All right. If you hover this face and go over the top, you're now on another plane or another face. So you want to stay on this face. If you want to join, if I wanted to join that face to another object, all right, just be aware of that when you're doing a joint. That's my tip for punters.